Have you ever wondered why money is so valuable in the first place? How about when it all started? Well, this video will answer all of your questions. Hello!
We are $5 sisters.
I am little sister.
I'm a big sister.
So, you're probably wondering why money even has value. I mean, we wouldn't be making these videos otherwise. So, let's start with the history of money.
It started with the bartering, like exchange items, like regular item trading without money.
Historians don't know when bartering started, but they think that it could maybe even date back to the dawn of humans.
Oh, wow.
It's that early.
Wow.
Well, it probably went something like this. Ooh, that guy has 5 eggs. I have 5 apples. Maybe I can trade my apples for those eggs. Good deal. This bartering gradually changed into livestock exchange, which lasted around 3,000 years, and then it changed to cowrie shells.
Shells? I get it. I guess it can be rare item, but still. Shells for currency?
I don't know. We can't really explain what the humans did thousands of years ago, but all we do know is that the Chinese were the first ones to invent this kind of currency.
The first metal currency started in around 1000 BC in India and Lydia, right?
Yeah.
And what was the made out of?
Well, it started with bronze or copper cowrie shell imitations, but over time it slowly evolved into those round coins that we know and love today.
Oh, wow.
The first signs of modern coinage were around 500 BC. They started around in many civilizations, like Rome and Lydia.
They were made with the more precious stone like lapis and gold.
Yeah. Alright, and around 118 BC, China came out with leather money. It's exactly what it sounds like. They were like 1 foot long squares of white deerskin with colorful borders on it. I don't know what they were thinking, but you can consider it the world's first banknote.
That's heavy, I would say. That's humongous money. I don't think I can carry everywhere.
Yeah, imagine carrying $50 in China. Around 806 AD, China came up with the world's first paper money. China's inventing all the money.
Yep.
But unfortunately, that paper money lost its value in China because of inflation.
And finally, the present. The coin and the dollar that we all familiar with. Okay, we know now the value. How about future? So what does the future hold, little sis?
Well, slowly electronic money is replacing physical money.
I get it. I carry my credit card and bank card everywhere instead of cash.
Well, yeah, but what I mean is it'll be fully electronic, like a transaction of bits and bytes instead of actual dollars. Like, there will be no dollars left.
So that's a lot of changes.
Yeah.
Right? Why does currency keep changing and revolving?
Well, first of all, it's supply and demand. Leather and shells may have been valuable early on, but now we've moved on to dollars. Paper is now the popular one.
Yeah, but at the same time, the convenience is important too. Back then, carry all that money would be heavy, a lot of labors that you need to intend. But now, cash is also kind of inconvenient because no matter where I go, credit card is accepted. So just click and insert it or swipe it. It's just so much easier. So that's what current convenient currency, I would say. And what was the last reason why currencies keep changing?
Well, it's mostly to prevent counterfeit, which is fake money.
Wow, will dollar ever lose value?
Well, not until we stop believing that we'll be able to exchange the dollar for something and it has value. Wow, I guess we need a break from all this money talk. It's time for Bunny Time! welcome back to PEAE News. This is Smiley P speaking, and we've got some breaking news. We've got a debate going on in Bunnyville about currency. Here we've got Team Carrot, Pinky, Dino, and Mr. Sesame. And they're up against Team Celery, Whitey, Jellybean, and Cotton Candy. Which currency will win the vote? Let's find out.
Celery, carrot, celery, celery is quite cool, quite crunchy. Celery must win. Celery, carrot, celery, carrot, celery, carrot, celery, carrot.
Will they ever learn?
Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
If you are awesome, hit the like button.
Goodbye.